Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mohammad Uwais. I am an online business consultant. So today's topic is affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? So it is a process of earning a commission by promoting another company's product or service. So to be a successful affiliate marketer, you need to know how to effectively promote your pages and websites to reach a wider audience. There are several techniques you can employ, such as offering high value content and staying active on social media, and offering discounts and bonuses, making use of blogs, and optimizing search engines to ensure that your marketing campaign is successful. So let me explain you the basic affiliate marketing life cycle. So first, what you have to do is you have to find and join a program. Then once you join, you have to start promoting your program on your friend circle, or also you can go to different various social media platforms and start promote. And also you can start tracking your sales in the affiliate company, and also you can start earning commissions by joining this program. So let me explain you some of the benefits of affiliate marketing. So it's $1 billion business. So from 2010 to 2020, it has enormous growth from billion to $1 trillion industry. So you have a good chance of making a good income from the affiliate marketing. So it's a low cost business idea. So you won't have much cost you need to invest on anything. So you can start with 0 rupees, and also you can earn huge money without any investment. Actually, we don't need any expertise in doing affiliate marketing. So you don't need a fancy degrees or anything to start working as an affiliate marketer. It's a low investment cost. So you will have some of the investments in building your own website or email marketing tool. So these are few things that will be needed for affiliate marketing. So you have low investment cost. And the next is, it's a secondary source of income for you. So if you have a job, you can continue and you can also work on the affiliate marketing as a secondary source of income. The next is convenience and flexibility. So you can work on whichever time for you it's working on. You can be very flexible with your timings, and you can put your hard work in this affiliate marketing anytime or in any place. So next is independence. Very independent. You don't have a boss who is telling you do this or do that. So you are very independent and doing this business. And one more thing is, it's a passive income. So you can earn money while you sleep also. So let's see some of the disadvantages of affiliate marketing. The first is, you don't control affiliate marketing programs. So you are just an affiliate to a company, and the company have all the rights to make changes to the programs, but you don't have any control over any affiliate marketing programs. So the next disadvantage is, you can't establish your customer base. So what you're doing is, you're just redirecting all your affiliate customers to the affiliate company. So you really doesn't have any can't establish your customer base. The third thing is, there is no guarantee of revenue. So you can't predict how much you can earn in 1 month or 2 months. So it all depends on your hard work and dedication, and how you take your affiliate marketing product to the customers. So let's see some of the steps to earn your first dollar. So concentrate on this, because it's very important for you to understand how you can pick up the product and start promoting. The first thing is, you have to start finding and review the product. First of all, you have to find the basic thing for this business, that is the product. And to find a product, you have to find an affiliate network first. Now find your affiliate network which is reputable and pays you on time. It can either be digital or physical. You can choose among clickback.com or jvzoo.com, which focuses more on online marketing. In the next step, you have to search for your desired product, which will help you in affiliate marketing. After you have found your product, it is time to review it. Review your product first by purchasing and using it. If test positive, then it is best for your business and will make your customers very happy. The next step is you have to review the reputation of the vendor. Now that you have chosen your product, it is time to double check the details of it. For this purpose, go to Google and search your product there. This will give you a clear idea about your product's reputation in the market. And also you check out your vendor's name in Google, and if it appears to be honest and real, continue working with it. The third step is make your offer valuable. So the real struggle starts now. You have to be competitive enough to succeed, and for this purpose you have to add value to your products. You can create videos and plan for your customers that will be available to them once they purchase the product, and you can now build an app for your products which will provide easy access to your business for the customers. And the fourth step is set up a lead generation system. Now you must know that to get leads, it is necessary to drive the traffic first to your mailing list and then to your vendor site while promoting their products. It is time to set up a lead generation system now, which consists of lead magnets, which will allow customers to avail offers and buy products once they decide to have your lead magnet. And the second feature of this system to be activated is the lead page. Include a call to action buttons, or merely a headline is showing what the major purpose of selling a specific process is. And also on the lead page, provide the customers with reasons regarding your product, like why they should be buying this product and what are the benefits of your lead magnet, etc. Okay, so now you have to add an autoresponder series to your product, which will provide the customers with information related to the offer. This way the leads to the product will increase. And you can set up blogs and create social media pages where you promote your product and get more leads from there. And the last but not the least, do not make this mistake of sending leads directly to your vendor's page, because this way most of the customers won't even buy the product. Let them see the product detail from your mails and pages, and then let them decide on buying this product. I hope you have a clear idea about how you can start promoting your product. And so there are various sites you can go and research and join affiliate programs. So you can also check the comment section below, where I have included few of the links for the affiliate programs. So if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment sections, and I'll be there to help you out with any specific question regarding affiliate marketing. Thank you guys. I hope you like this video. I'll be putting more videos on affiliate marketing, and you can really benefit from my videos. So thank you for watching, everyone. Bye bye.